Explain niyo po ang arts appreciation.
Well, art, as they say, is about beauty. Why? If beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, then art is appreciated by the one who sees the art. For someone, it may be artistic, but for others, it may not. As a subject area in humanities, you should know that arts appreciation is about appreciating what is there in something. Baga, titignan mo, ano ba yung meron sa isang bagay? Artistic ba siya o hindi? Now, babalik tayo dun sa pangunahing o primaryang konsepto. Sino ba ang tao? Who is a man? Who is a human? A man is a being, isang tao, lalang ng Diyos, yun ay tao. Pero paano siya nagiging isang tao? Art is an expression of humanity. Therefore, art's appreciation is a man becoming human.